5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dale.
A bare face with a black shovel like the Armageddon. When the smoke settle, his body next to this instrumental. I'm saying, I'm sick of the sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can bully your size everybody and put some white chalk around it. Let's talk about the fact you actually blackball around this twice as young as you talk. Let's call Sway, ask why I can't grow up in shape when he died because of you. Let's ask Interscope how you went Paul Rosenberg trying to shelf me. Still can't cover up the facts, you'll ask around to back yourself and I'll tell me, what are you staying for? What? I know you can't stand yourself. Trying to be the old you so bad, you stand yourself. Let's leave all the beef in the 50, please. Now you push the 50. Why you claiming I'ma call Puff when you the one that called Diddy? Then you went and called Jimmy. The cops called me in the morning. They told me that about a tweet. They wanted me to say sorry. I swear to God I ain't believing. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of the rap game can't take a fucking joke. Oh, you want some fucking smoke, but not literally a choke. Yeah, I'll acknowledge you're dope, but I'm the gun bitch, I got you in the scope. Don't have a heart attack now. Somebody help your man's up. Knees weak or old age. The real Slim Shady can't stand up. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dads from the Midwest, talk about it. Or we need to go to your size everybody and put some white chalk around it. Hello Marshall, my name's Colson, you should go back to recovery. I know your ego is hurting just knowing another.
1 minuto y medio va, dale. 1 y medio va.
I'm ugly, always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall, you living in luxury. Hey, look what you done to me, dropping out just because of me. Damn, you in love with me. You got money, but I'm hungry. I like it this, but you won't say the lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's in front of me. Know that I'm not. I gotta respect the OGs, and I don't want them personally. But you just really acting like a baby, so I gotta read you a nursery. I live goes to the future, and you just have to leave a Scrooge. I said I'm flex, anyone can get it. I ain't know it would be you. I'm sick of the sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All the single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we need to go to your size everybody and put some white chalk around it. Ride shoddy cause I got a road to dope. It's a fast road. I don't be coming right with the never hesitate to say it to your face. We know you get nervous rather than be honest with me. I love what you swear, yo. Wish you could lose yourself in the record that you made it.
2 minutos y medio va.
To me, you were sharp as a feather, the type that we scared to actually honor for a number. Just hold on, Ella. Okay, how's it, bro? Chill on the couch. You got an Oscar, damn. Can anyone name out? Everybody's top 10. You're not getting better with time. It's fine. Eminem, put down the pen. Or write an apology. Or with a simple fact, you wanted this to acknowledge me. I am the prodigy. How could I even look up to you? You ain't as tall as me. 5'8", I'm 6'4". 7 punches, hold your head still. Last time we shot 8 miles.
Dale, 1 minuto queda, dale.
You were named after a candy. I was named after a gangster. And don't be a sucker and take my verse off of Yellow Sour. Thank you. I just wanna feed my daughter.
Dale, bancale, queda poco, dale. Dale, 40 segundos, dale. Que pasan rápido, dale. Mantén el ritmo. Dale, no te vuelvas loco, dale. 30 segundos, dale, tranqui, dale.
Usually one of your disses should ruin me. But bitch, I'm breathing, everybody quiet to see that I'm doing the eulogy. Dropping out a call Kamikaze.
Dale, dale que se va terminando, dale, aguantala.
Fuck one rapper girl this week, don't make me call Kim. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dale.
Can't keep my dick in my pants. My bitch don't love me no more. She kill me out of life, bro. That bitch don't wanna be friends. I give her dick, she got mad. She put a 10 on my dick. Look at my wrist about 10. Buy that shit straight to the booth. She said one fuck bitch I do. You put a gun on my mask. I put a hole in your parents. I gotta look at my stories. I got a original Rosie. Fuck me, look at me. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, yeah. Fuck on me. Look at me. Fuck on me. Look at me. Fuck on me, yeah. Shouts out personal. Hey. That little bitch got a throat. Fuck, I like the rock, I don't miss it. My humor bitch like a wrist slit. Really got the high, I'm more big. Got like the bitches, I'm more man. Steal your niggas and fuck. Hey, don't want your pussy, just one. Hey, fuck on me, fuck on me, look at me, fuck on me, look at me, fuck on me, look at me, yeah. Hey, look at me, fuck on me, look at me, fuck on me, look at me, fuck on me, look at me, yeah.
Dale, Julito, dale. Digo, dale. Dos minutos y medio, dale. Queda 1 y medio. 1 minuto, dale. ¡30 segundos! Dale, dale, arriba saque, dale, dale, suma ahora. ¡15! Dale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiempo, dale. 2 minutos. Descansa un toque porque si no... ...30 segundos, queda 1 y medio. Dale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dale, levantar más, dale. Arriba.
Should be proud of yourself.
Muy buena, Julito. Sí, papá.
Slide on the pep game with my pinky ring.